writers! Today, while you are working on your free writing, please take a look at these qualities that make good free writing. Writing freely and letting your thoughts just flow. Write long to make the ideas stronger, write for a longer period of time. Make your comparisons to help readers understand. Don't cross out things when you're writing. Repeat the big idea over and over, trying to get it right. Stay for a long time on one big idea. Also, go from big ideas to small examples and then back to your big ideas. Come up with new ideas and raise some questions. Today, you can make a new entry in your writing journal about a social issue or something else that you care about. Something that you could take it from your issue wall, okay, or add to your issue wall. What other things are meaningful to you?